Greetings, guys and gals, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm so happy to be sharing this time with you as we embark on a journey to simplify and bring joy to our cleaning routines. Today, we'll be creating 7 very special cleaning products. These recipes use simple, natural ingredients that are gentle on our planet and our wallets. Let's open our hearts and homes to the magic of tidying up and discover the peace that comes with creating a clean and joyful space. Before we dive in, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's make cleaning fun and eco-friendly together. Now let's get started. Our first recipe is an all-purpose cleaner that's perfect for countertops, sinks, and even stovetops. This cleaner is designed to tackle a variety of surfaces in your home, making it a must-have for any cleaning routine. It's incredibly versatile and effective. Whether you're dealing with everyday grime or tougher stains, this cleaner has got you covered. In a spray bottle, combine equal parts water and white vinegar. The vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant, breaking down grease and grime effortlessly. The vinegar, though it has a strong scent initially, will dissipate quickly, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. You won't have to worry about any lingering odors. If you like, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This not only enhances the cleaning power but also leaves a pleasant aroma. Lavender and lemon are lovely for a fresh, clean scent. Lavender is known for its calming properties, while lemon adds a zesty, invigorating touch. Close the bottle tightly and shake well to combine the ingredients. This ensures that the water, vinegar, and essential oils are thoroughly mixed. Remember to test this cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with your surfaces. This step is crucial to avoid any potential damage. Now you have a versatile cleaner that not only cleans effectively, but also sparks joy with its natural ingredients. Enjoy a cleaner home with the peace of mind that comes from using a product that's safe for you and the environment. Next, let's create a streak-free shine on our windows and mirrors. This glass cleaner is so effective, you'll be amazed. In your spray bottle, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. The rubbing alcohol is key to achieving that streak-free finish we all desire. Secure the lid tightly and give the bottle a good shake to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Remember, just like our all-purpose cleaner, it's always wise to test this on a small area first. Now you can enjoy the clarity and sparkle of clean glass, knowing you used a gentle and effective homemade solution. Let's bring joy to our bathrooms with a gentle yet powerful scrub that not only cleans, but also uplifts our spirits. This scrub banishes grime and leaves surfaces sparkling, making your bathroom a sanctuary of cleanliness and freshness. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of baking soda, a natural deodorizer that effectively neutralizes odors and tackles tough stains. Add enough liquid soap to create a frosting-like consistency. The soap helps to break down grease and grime, making it easier to scrub away. You can use your favorite liquid soap here, whether it's scented or unscented, depending on your preference. Personally, I find unscented Castile soap to be particularly lovely because it's gentle on the skin and free from harsh chemicals. For an added boost of antibacterial power, add a few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known for its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great addition to your cleaning routine. Its fresh, invigorating scent is a wonderful bonus, leaving your bathroom smelling clean and revitalized. Mix the ingredients well until you achieve a smooth, spreadable paste. This ensures that all the components are evenly distributed for maximum cleaning power. This versatile scrub can be used on tubs, sinks, and even tile, making it a one-stop solution for all your bathroom cleaning needs. Apply it with a sponge or cloth. Gently scrub in circular motions to lift away dirt and grime without scratching surfaces. Finally, rinse thoroughly with water to reveal a sparkling, clean bathroom. Enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done and a bathroom that gleams with cleanliness. Our next recipe will have your floors gleaming with natural radiance. Imagine walking into a room where the floors shine with a pristine glow, reflecting the care and attention you've put into maintaining your home. This simple yet effective cleaner is safe for most types of flooring, whether you have hardwood, tile, laminate, or vinyl. It's versatile and gentle, ensuring that your floors are not only clean but also well protected. In a bucket, combine 1/2 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. This mixture is the foundation of our natural floor cleaner, harnessing the power of vinegar to cut through grime and dirt effortlessly. The vinegar acts as a natural deodorizer and disinfectant, leaving your floors fresh and clean. It neutralizes odors and eliminates bacteria, making it a perfect choice for households with pets or children. For a touch of fragrance, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This not only enhances the cleaning power, but also leaves a pleasant scent that lingers long after you've finished mopping. I find that peppermint or eucalyptus oil creates a wonderfully invigorating aroma. These essential oils are known for their refreshing and uplifting properties, turning a mundane chore into a delightful experience. Mix the solution well, ensuring that the vinegar and essential oils are evenly distributed. Then, mop your floors as usual, allowing the solution to work its magic on every inch of your flooring. You'll be amazed by how clean your floors look and feel, and the gentle scent will bring a sense of freshness to your entire home. The natural ingredients ensure a safe environment, and the invigorating aroma will make your home feel like a sanctuary. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite DIY cleaning recipe from this video. Your feedback and ideas could inspire others to try these eco-friendly solutions too. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about these eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Together, we can make a difference. Let's bring the power of natural cleaning to our laundry routine with this simple and effective homemade laundry detergent. In a jar or container, combine 1 cup of washing soda, a natural cleaning agent, 1 cup of borax, a natural deodorizer and stain remover, and 1 bar of grated Castile soap. Grate the Castile soap finely to ensure it mixes well with the other ingredients. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of this mixture per load of laundry, adjusting as needed based on your washing machine and water hardness. This natural detergent is gentle on clothes, kind to sensitive skin, and safe for our planet. Our next recipe brings joy to the heart of the home, the kitchen. This dish soap is gentle on hands yet tough on grease. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of liquid Castile soap with 1/4 cup of water. The water helps to thin out the Castile soap, making it easier to dispense. For a touch of delightful fragrance, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Citrus scents like lemon or orange are wonderfully uplifting in the kitchen. Mix the ingredients well and pour the mixture into a reusable soap dispenser. Now you can wash your dishes with the satisfaction of knowing you're using a gentle, effective, and environmentally friendly soap. Our final recipe replaces harsh chemical air fresheners with a gentle, natural mist that freshens and uplifts your home. In your spray bottle, combine 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a natural odor absorber, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender promotes tranquility, while citrus scents like grapefruit or bergamot are wonderfully energizing. Close the bottle tightly and shake well to combine the ingredients. A light mist of this air freshener will eliminate odors and infuse your home with a delightful natural fragrance. You can even use this spray on linens or upholstery for a subtle, refreshing scent. Thank you so much for joining me on The Big Sweep today. I hope these simple DIY cleaning product recipes bring you joy and inspire you to create a more sustainable and joyful home. Remember, true cleanliness is not about harsh chemicals or complicated routines. It's about creating a space where you feel comfortable, relaxed, and at peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. See you next time.